Hey everybody, it's game time. I want to do a quick I'm going to start the weekend outgoing, but I'm going to show a couple of incoming too, because there's only a few. Although I'm hoping to have a lot more stuff coming in today. We'll see. So we're going to start off with a Kuzma rookie and Verdugo rookie. Conley autograph from 2017 Prism. De'Aaron Fox rookie. Matu autograph. Garrett Cooper, Topps Chrome auto. David Wells, Elite Draft Picks 18, and Trey Marshall from the same. Let's see, Chris Herron, Fast Break autograph, Optic. Somebody bought up a bunch of Steelers stuff, so Bright Futures, Le'Veon Bell, and that's just the base card, which looks so good. Antonio Brown, Hollow from Optic, and also from Optic, the Elite Series. This is a Le'Veon Bell Parallel from 2016 Optic, numbered to 99. Antonio Brown reprint from Optic, more unparalleled, Bright Futures, High Flyers, also from Optic. God, those cards look so good. I love this card. This is a press proof from 2018 Donruss. It's numbered to 99. Larkin and Sheffield. Bettis Hall of Fame from Prism. Obsidian Naheem Hines. This is like an orange etch. It's numbered out of 50. Bellinger Prism rookie. Steve Carlton reprint from 2019 Topps. More unparalleled, Mark Andrews autograph. Raekwon McMillan, Elite rookie, numbered to 499. Gesicki rookie, blue die cut, light blue die cut, to 199. Royce Lewis, Leaf Draft, Top Picks autograph, not numbered. Great looking card. And this is my last Baker Optic rookie. I was thinking of holding on to one, but I'll probably get more, so that's okay. Let that one go. Okay, got just a couple of things in. Some autographs. Devontae Boyd. This is like, I don't know if you can see the little sparkles. You can't really in this light. Maybe if I get it. No. Anyways, this is a great looking card. You just can't hardly see it in this light. Auto, of course. Chase Edmonds autograph, parallel. This is numbered, should be, I think, 99. Yep. Wait, no. Hang on. 50. Actually numbered to 50. Velocity, parallel auto, Durham Smythe. Number to, get in the light, 25. Okay. And last, not the best packaging there. Woof. Good Lord. Yeah, now there's a little tiny touch of white there. Kim Diche, 2018 Prestige autograph. Darrell Freeman, this is the extra points version autograph. And another extra points, Charles Tapper. So that's it. I'll carry this on into tomorrow. Here, up there, having a great day. What's going on, everybody? It's game time. It is Sunday night. And I've got a crazy Monday, so I'm not 100% sure I'll be able to wrap this video up with the outgoing for Monday. Tomorrow's actually a holiday, so although this will be posted next week, so tomorrow won't be a holiday when you watch this. Anywho, I'm going to show these cards now. These are all outgoing. These from the weekend. There will be a good bit more tonight, so hopefully I can find time in the morning to show you everything else that's going out from the weekend. It's been a really busy weekend for card sales. And you're going to notice kind of a theme here. Some of the same players sold like over and over again. So I don't know. I mean, that happens, but it doesn't happen too often. So anyways, Harrison Bader's one. You're going to see several of him. That's Bowman's Best. Curtis Samuel for Select. I am so excited for the new Select to come out. I just cannot wait. I'm going to have 2 boxes of that for you guys to watch me open. Hervey, this is a rookie 1819 Prism. I love this Kobe pink crystals. I think this is, no, I thought it was numbered. It's not. It's just the pink crystals, but it still looks really good. Tannerly pink rookie. Julio blue. This is numbered to 299. Lauletta, the red and yellow rookie from Optic. Dalton Schultz. Some more red and yellow. Rashad Penny, Christian Kirk, Nick Chubb. I like this photo too. I'm always complaining about Panini, but every once in a while they do something right. I love these some of these photos. All right, Dante Pettis. This is the red, white, and blue, which again I like this. I like this style. Trey Young. This was a lot of 3 that sold together. The rookie, emergent, and the red, white, and blue. Jared Vanderbilt. A lot of 2. Rookie and pink crystals. Reese Hoskins is another person that several cards went of this weekend. That's the Score from Chronicles. Glaber, best performers. You're going to see him again too. Alright, Christian Kirk from Playoff. A really nice patches card. Tools of the Trade, Cole Wilcox from Stars and Stripes, which is another product that's about to come out again, and I placed my order for that today. Jose De Leon, 2017 Contenders. A soccer card, Vincent Company from Belgium. Old jersey card. A blast from the past. Jason Giambi, Fabric of the Game. Numbered out of 101. What is this from? Let's see if I can actually read the year. 2003. Leaf Certified Materials. So that is old. Jamal Wilkes. Autograph. Fast Break Signatures. Corey Davis. Parallel. DeAndre Hopkins. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the blue parallel. You can see Panini up there in blue. Travis Swaggerty, lot of 2 from Contenders Draft Picks. What else do we have? Seth Beer, lot from the same product. Another Glaber. Power Producers from Bowman's Best. Reese Hoskins, like I promised. More Reese Hoskins, like I promised. More Harrison Bader. Freshman Flash. More Harrison Bader. Again. Topps Chrome and Refractor. We have Michael Kopech, Bowman's Best out of 150. That's the blue refractor, as you can see. George Springer Chronicles to 99. Woo! Try not to drop these cards. They don't belong to me anymore. Gobert blue parallel to 199. Malik Newman autograph. Tavares Optic rated prospect. Oh, let's see. People are buying Kareem Hunt again now that he's been signed, and we know he's gonna be back on the field. So this is his Optic rookie. Verdugo refractor from Bowman's Best rookie. Selling Le'Veon cards again too. This is the Spellbound, but it's the green parallel. The big L. Antetokounmpo, Court Kings, but that's the press proof version. Armani Watts. Oh God, I loved Phoenix. I just love those cards. Oh, I wish I had another box of that right now. Chase Litton, rookie autograph. Here's another older jersey card. Jamal Charles rookie numbers. This is numbered out of 135. 2008 SP rookie threads. Clint Frazier. This is the green parallel jersey from Topps Fire. This is numbered /75. Juan Soto rookie. As quick as I get these, they sell. Everybody's anticipating a big season for him. Chris Bryant, Illusions. Gavin Escobar from the one box of like 2013 Fleer Greats that I opened. Fleer or something. Fleer Retro, not Greats. That's an on-card auto. Kerry Thomas, rookie from 1819 certified. Alright, just a few more. We have Joshua Jackson. I personally pulled this from my last box of Luminance, numbered out of 99. Lauletta, this is numbered out of 75. It's the longevity parallel autograph. Julio, Rookies and Stars, True Blue, I guess. True Blue. It's numbered out of 25. I love this card. Amir Garrett, Gold Standard, autograph to 25 with a nice little patch in there. Will Smith, Leaf Draft, 2000, looks like 16. I like these two. These are the chrome cards, autographs from Elite Extra Edition. They inserted these Contenders chrome cards. You can also get like the hollow parallel version of these, which are really good. They look like this. Alec Thomas, his cards are selling right now. 2017 Leaf Metal. Speaking of Elite Extra Edition, Ryan Rollison, numbered to 50. Nice on-card die cut red status. This is a Connor Scott 1 of 1. Leaf Blue Etch. Pre-production prismatic proof. Try to say that 5 times fast. Another Leaf Jessen Rosario on card pink 220. And lastly, we have Tim Elko from Perfect Game All-American Classic Leaf 2016. Not numbered. Like I said, there's going to be more. This is a kind of early Sunday evening, so there's going to be a lot of stuff that's paid for tonight. So hopefully I can squeeze that in the morning for you guys before I start my day. Okay, everybody take care. Hopefully I'll be back. Okay, so there was a lot more last night than I anticipated. I'm going to try to do a really quick run through and get these things moving out of here. This was a lot of 2017 Elite Extra Edition. More John Howard parallels. These look really good. These are the base cards. Peralta, Gaddis, Basabe, Hernandez, Tarnock, and Quentin Holmes. The base cards are numbered, as well as the parallels, but you probably already know that. This is the Bowman like Sparkle card. These look really good. Durant from Optic, the new Optic. Steph Curry, Swishful Thinking, but it's the press proof. Dominance from Prism, Steph Curry. Herndon, regular and hollow. Adele, Atomic Refractor, which looks really good. Look at that baby. Wow. Clint Frazier, Phoenix from Chronicles. Royce Freeman, red and yellow parallel from Optic. Porzingis Green from Prism. Robles Stadium Club rookie. I like that one. Somebody grabbed up a couple of Pirates. Luplo, this is the blue to 150. Vasquez, this is the 150-year parallel. Mitch Keller, Bowman's Best Refractor. And McCutcheon, Gold Standard from Chronicles, numbered to 269. Hunter Strickland Auto from 2015, Topps Chrome. This sold very well. This is Jimenez autograph blue aspirations, numbered to 50 on card. So that is definitely a good one. Man, I hate to see that go. Blaze Alexander from 18 Elite. Jamon Moore, Hollow rated rookie from Optic. Deion Kane, the red and yellow. A Frank Gore parallel from Spectra. This is numbered 210. Some USA Stars and Stripes. Alex Lang, Liberatore, Charles, Hankins, Shoemake, Bat, not Block, and Cole Wilcox on card auto. Some Prism rookies. Bagley, Robinson, Williams, Trent Jr. Those are all gone. Some more basketball. Wiggins, Fast Break Blue. Teddy Bridgewater. This is a longevity parallel number to 25. Mobamba. Mobamba. Okay, sorry. Anthony Davis, parallel to 299. Tony Parker, status quo. This is also the parallel version of this insert to 149. Russell Westbrook, Karl Anthony Towns, All Day, Fast Breaks, and Go Hard or Go Home, Donovan Mitchell. A couple of Derwin James rookies from Unparalleled. Abreu Bat from Topps Holiday. Correa Neon Blue from Spectra, $2.99. A Dalvin Cook jersey from the new Rookies and Stars. And we're ending it with some, oh, we're not ending it with this. Let's go ahead and say somebody bought this Sam Bradford. I guess they needed to complete a set. So I was surprised to see that on the list. And 2017 Optic Pink Jamal Adams, 2 pinks, and 1 red and yellow parallel. And that is it. Woo, what a weekend. Got my work cut out for me. Woo. Okay, everybody, please like and subscribe. Take care. Comment below if you got anything to say about these little goodies. Hope everybody has a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.